Welcome to Bullman Built RC if you've never been here before, and welcome back if you have. This is a Mailbox Monday where I go over everything that I've gotten in the last week or so, and I show you and tell you what I'm going to do with it. Let's go! I went to Hobby Lobby the other day with my oldest daughter and got some parts for scale trucks, basically. Not parts, but just materials. First up was E6000. I got that because I need to stick things to other things.
It wasn't until my 20s.
I had Shugu and E6000. The Shugu apparently blew out the side and had dried all up, and the E6000 was basically gone. So I got that to stick to what I have next. I went to the fabric department, which, if you don't know, is a wonderful place for some of the things that you can do with scale trucks. For this, I was thinking this kind of looks like an ugly old seat cover, almost like a Mexican blanket, but not really. It's like, you know, one of the things that you would have seen in the 90s with your pap all covered up his seat with and everything. So I was going to cut it up, maybe get a bench seat for one of the trucks, and just kind of hang this over there and, you know, glue it down with the E6000 and get it in that. So thought that would be kind of cool. I also got this. This is just really ugly, once again, just ugly seat material. This is something that maybe your great papal would have had in his truck. This is just some ugly material I thought kind of looked like a seat cover. I don't really have a whole big plan with it. May go in a different truck that I'll paint blue. I'm not 100% sure exactly what I'm going to do, but may go in the new shop truck because the old shop truck is now that four-wheel drive up there. And I got that. So that will be pretty cool. Then I found this. This is basically handkerchief pattern. I'm not sure what you call this. It's not quite paisley, I don't think. Not sure what you call handkerchief pattern. Anywho, this is handkerchief pattern. This is actually, hopefully, going to go in my slam dually. I think I'm going to go with red and like a light, I don't know, like off-white color for that whole thing. So it'll be all red with the white down the sides. And I thought this would be kind of cool for the seat material, just to kind of gangster it up a little bit. And right now, everybody's putting like weird-ass patterns and stuff on seats. So I thought maybe that'd be cool. Maybe it won't. I don't know. We'll put it on there. If it looks stupid, I'll just start over. It's not a big deal. Next, I went over to the paint department of the Hobby Lobby and got some paint for the floors and for seats and things like that in some of my hardbody stuff. I, once again, like I said, will probably paint one of them blue, maybe blue and blue, I'm not 100% sure, but I got sky gray, deep sky blue, and dark blue. When I opened one of these up, it exploded, and my whole hand was blue in the middle of the store. Got it everywhere, so I got those. We'll be painting things, not 100% sure what, but now we have the paints. Next! I got a part from my friend Cody. You guys may know him as Colorado Adventure Club on YouTube. He joins us on my live on YouTube's on Monday at 7 o'clock Eastern Time. You should also join us. Or you can also check me out on Facebook and Facebook groups and Instagram, Bullman Built RC, across the board. Come check me out, join the group, answer the questions. We'll let you in. I'm trying to build a little cool community and stuff. So there is that. But he got this. He had these made. They are a 6% lockout. We got them for the WeRcRock trucks. So basically, you have a 6% out front. You put this in the back in place of the bearing plate that looks a lot like it, but this does have a lock in it. So instead of going back into the 46% or whatever overdrive it has, it just locks up. So that way you can actually lock the front wheels, and then you can do a burn and swing yourself around, which I didn't know was as useful as it is. I've been using front dig for a while, and I did not know how useful this actually was going to be until I got my WeRcRock truck, which actually is a little completely different setup, but it does have dig and burn, and it is super, super useful once you figure out how to use it. At first, I didn't know what the hell I was doing, and the truck was going everywhere, but I got this. He did send this to me, and I thoroughly appreciate it. If you haven't before, go check out Colorado Adventure Club on YouTube, and check out his videos. Super, super nice, super, super cool dude. Definitely is interested in what we're doing all the way out here in Indiana on the WeRcRock, as opposed to what they all have out on the West Coast. That does wrap up the short Mailbox Monday for today. Stay tuned for the bloopers. Check me out, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC across the board. And if you have not seen it, you can also be a channel subscriber, joiner, member thing. You sometimes have to get on a computer, you hit join. It's a couple bucks a month. I show videos that nobody else sees. You get to see videos a day early. And you also just get to see pictures of things that I'm doing behind the scenes that other people don't really get to see, or they don't get to see for like another week. So I try to make it special. I try to post something every day, every other day, whatever. It's not a whole lot of money. Hopefully you can check that out. That is all. Stay tuned, and I will see you later. Bye! All right, shut it off. All right, I think that's it. I didn't get a whole lot. Yeah, it's not going to be very long. And then you put this in the back in plate. He joins me on my... No, let's see. That does wrap up the short little Monday... No. Colorado... no, I don't like that.
So she's here.
I know. She's fine.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, baby.
What are you doing?
Making VO. What are you doing?
You making video?
Yeah, making VO. Music and jazz and things. Alright. Then I also got... So, hey, you get back over there, sir. So I'm not done with you. Wow. Man, if that doesn't say hillbilly microphone stand, I don't know what does. I'm just gonna start all that over. It's misty. Alright.
I think so, yeah.
I do think so. Alright.
Okay.
This thing's dirty as shit. That's what that's holding right there. That's what it's for. Yeah.
Sure.
Dual RC motor plate from my rock crawler right there. Put 2 motors on it. So you go.